people around the world would suffer from snoring? 1/3 of the population all around the world is suffering from snoring. Hello friends, I am Dr. Prachi and today we'll discuss problems of snoring, what are the reasons for snoring and exercises you need to follow if you are suffering from snoring. First we'll show you on diagram how voice is created and what is the reason for your snoring. See, can you see this picture? This picture shows that whenever you breathe in, you will have a outing. This outing would block your air. While air, there would be a vibrating sound and the air is inhaled. This is the major reason for your snoring. Snoring. The first and the most important cause is alcohol consumption. If a person is consuming alcohol on daily basis and on regular basis, the person would snore on a higher pitch. If the person is obese, the strength of the muscle is considerably reduced. Third, if the person is having any breathing difficulty because of nasal congestion or any obstructive conditions, that is sleep apnea or nasal congestion, etc. If a person is having tonsillitis, this would be a reason for snoring. Children too can have obstructive sleep apnea. This is the major factor responsible for ADHD. That is, if a person is not able to sleep properly, it is very prominent that the person can suffer from difficulty concentrating. So this is seen majorly in children. These people could not concentrate on a particular point. That is, they would have attention deficit disorder. How can you diagnose yourself whether you are having any breathing difficulty or you are suffering from any major condition? You need to go to your ENT specialist. He would be in better position to make you understand whether you are having a major difficulty or you can just cope up with conservative exercises. Treatment options available for snoring. You'll have nasal clips. You can use this while sleeping. Secondly, some people go for traditional surgeries or sopnoplasties if they are suffering from major difficulties. Self-care. Stop alcohol consumption or reduce alcohol consumption. Reduce your weight. Third, reduce your nasal congestion. That is, if you are suffering from nasal congestion, please opt for some doctor which would reduce your congestion and would prevent your regular infections. What are the exercises you need to follow if you are having snoring? The first exercise is dog breathing. As the name suggests, you need to understand you need to breathe heavy and deeper. Have you seen a dog breathing? The dog would be breathing very fast and very deep. So this kind of breathing would improve your strength of your throat muscles. That is, normal person would breathe for around 16 breaths per minute. If you see a dog, the dog would breathe around more than 15 up to 60 breaths per minute. This kind of breathing you need to follow for at least 1 minute daily. Second is tiger breathing. Again, if you see a tiger, of course you won't be seeing, but on Discovery or any other channels you would be seeing, you can see that the tiger would be in extended position. The neck would be extended. That is breathing from the abdomen. So this kind of breathing is initiated and you need to do this for 1 minute. That is, yes, this is perfect. And the last exercise, you need to keep, this is your palate is the roof of your mouth, and this is your tongue. You need to roll down your tongue here and keep pushing it for 1 minute and relax. This is your tongue. You keep pushing it on your palate and relax. Do this for 3 times daily. Thank you so much for your patience, and I hope I solved your queries and this video would help you in limit or reduce your snoring. Thank you so much.